we're going to explain how to use the method list feature in Visual Studio Code. This incredibly helpful feature provides a quick overview of all the methods and functions available for a specific object or class within your code. It's a massive time saver, reducing the need to constantly refer to documentation or search online. Let's dive in. 1. Accessing the method list. The first step is triggering the method list. This is typically done by placing your cursor on an object or variable name, and then pressing either Ctrl+Shift+Space on Windows Linux, or CMD+Shift+Space on Mac OS. Visual Studio Code will then intelligently analyze your code and display a pop-up window containing a list of applicable methods. 2. Understanding the displayed information. The method list usually displays a concise representation of each available method. You'll typically see the method's name, any parameters it takes, often with their types, and sometimes a brief description. This information is critical for quickly understanding how to use a specific method without having to delve into detailed documentation. 3. Navigating the list. The method list is often presented as a searchable dropdown. This makes it incredibly easy to locate a specific method, even if you don't remember its exact name. Just start typing, and the list will dynamically filter to show only the matching entries. 4. Using method list with different programming languages. The method list functionality works seamlessly across various programming languages supported by Visual Studio Code. Whether you're working in Python, JavaScript, C++, Java, or many others, the method list will adapt to provide relevant information based on your project's language and the libraries it utilizes. 5. Context-aware suggestions. One of the most powerful aspects of the method list is its context awareness. The methods suggested are specifically tailored to the object or variable under your cursor. This prevents the display of irrelevant methods, keeping the list concise and focused on the possibilities available within the current coding context. 6. Benefits of using the method list. Regularly using the method list significantly improves coding efficiency and reduces errors. It assists you in quickly remembering method signatures and reduces the need to repeatedly consult external documentation, leading to a smoother and faster coding process. It helps you write more accurate and maintainable code. 7. Troubleshooting. If you find that the method list isn't appearing, ensure that you have the necessary language extensions installed and configured for your project. Also, verify that your project is properly configured within Visual Studio Code. Sometimes a simple restart of VS Code can resolve minor issues. And ensure that IntelliSense is enabled. It's the underlying technology that powers the method list. Check your VS Code settings to ensure it's turned on. By mastering the method list in Visual Studio Code, you'll dramatically enhance your coding workflow and become a more efficient programmer. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference.